Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English YouTube channel. The topic of our today's video is red light beeping problem. Let's start. First of all, I am going to show you the beeping. Now let's go toward the solution. I will tell you it step by step. The first of all thing we do is to open our system case. Then simply pull up the drives to simply reach the RAMs. Take all the RAMs one by one. When you take it out, clean it with some fabric or soft piece of cloth. Also do it as same as with the other RAMs. When the cleaning is done, simply place the RAMs back to its place where you take them from. Now let's check the problem. As you can see that it is working correctly and there is no error and no beeping. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Take care. Bye bye. See you in other